Welcome to our comprehensive guide on building or rebuilding a PC. Whether you're a first-timer or looking for a refresher, we'll walk you through every step. We're going to cover everything from safety and component preparation to the final boot up, ensuring a smooth and successful build experience. Before we begin, remember safety first. Unplug everything and take anti-static precautions to protect your sensitive components. Have your tools ready, like screwdrivers and zip ties. If you're rebuilding, start by unplugging all cables and powering down. Carefully remove existing components, making sure to document where everything was for an easier reassembly. Now, let's prepare the main components. Lay out your motherboard and inspect it for any damage. Ensure the CPU socket lever is open and ready. Gently place the CPU into the socket, aligning the gold arrow or triangle on the CPU with the mark on the socket. Then, apply thermal paste and install the CPU cooler securely. Next, install your RAM modules. Consult your motherboard manual for the correct slots to use for dual-channel or quad-channel configurations. Press down firmly until the clips snap into place. It's time to prepare the case. Clear out any unnecessary clutter and make sure you have access to all the mounting points. Install the motherboard standoffs in your case if they aren't pre-installed. Then, mount your power supply unit in its designated area, typically at the bottom or top rear of the case. Carefully lower the motherboard into the case, aligning it with the standoffs and the rear I/O shield. Once aligned, use the screws provided with your case to secure the motherboard to the standoffs. Don't over-tighten, but ensure it's snug. This can be tricky. Connect the small front panel connectors for the power button, reset switch, USB ports, and audio jacks, referencing your motherboard manual for the correct pin locations. Next up, we install the storage devices and the powerful graphics card. Install your SSDs or HDDs into the drive bays. Connect the SATA data cables to the drives and the motherboard, and the SATA power cables from the PSU to the drives. Install the graphics card into the primary PCIe slot. Make sure it's fully seated and secured with the clip and any external screws on the case. Connect the main power cables from the PSU to the motherboard and GPU. Route and tie all cables neatly behind the motherboard tray, or in inconspicuous areas for better airflow and aesthetics. We are in the home stretch. Let's cover the final steps before we power it up. Close up the computer case, screw on the side panels, connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Plug in the power cable and turn it on. If successful, enter the BIOS to confirm all components are recognized, especially the CPU, RAM, and boot drive. Congratulations! You've successfully built or rebuilt your PC. Now you're ready to install your operating system and enjoy your new machine.